what I want to show, and one of the things that I think is really awesome, is the computer replacement costs report. So one of the things that exists inside Endpoint Insights is that we can go ahead and pull warranty information and find out when they were purchased and when they're going to be outside of their warranty. The other thing that actually helps with is that we can get specific information about when computers are going to expire in your environment. So you can set a specific time or that you want them to be done. Like, we need to replace them after this many days. You can set how much it's going to cost to replace the different computers. And then you basically grab a collection, and you can determine when the life cycle is going to end for these and how much it's going to cost per year, which you can see down here, as well as how much it's going to cost overall. So you can see each year and how much it's going to cost overall. It's amazing. There's just so much stuff with warranty reporting that we can do.
I know. I love the warranty. I mean, we collect it for all the manufacturers out there.